Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Bioinformatics for Everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to install NCBA Blast in Linux operating system. I will be demonstrating this in Ubuntu. In case if you are using any other flavors of Linux and you face any difficulties, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's start. Open your browser. Search for the keywords download NCBA Blast. Open the first link. So the link to the FTP site where all the installers are available has been provided. Just open that. So we could see there are installers for different operating system: Linux, Windows, Mac. So we just require the Linux one, right? So we'll just click that. So once you click, the download should start in the browser itself. So you can always download like this, but you might want to do this in terminal itself. So I'll just cancel this. So what I'm going to do is, like, I will copy the link, right click that, and copy link location. Then open terminal. You can download this whichever folder you want. So I'll be just putting this in downloads folder. The command to download is wget. So it's very simple. You just have to type wget and then paste the link which we have just copied, and then hit enter. So the download starts. So you could see the progress bar as well. I have speeded up this thing for the sake of this video, not so fast. Okay, it's done. Let's see the contents of this directory. And I'm just long listing it. So the file is available as tar gzipped file. So we need to uncompress it. Basically, the command to uncompress is tar xvzf and the file name. And then hit enter. So it starts uncompressing. So it's done. So it has uncompressed by leaving the source file intact. So let's check the contents of this directory. So the important folder which we are looking for is bin, where all the binaries will be placed. So here you go. So you could see all the flavors of Blast are available here: Blast X, Blast P, Blast 10, T Blast 10, RPS Blast, etc. So basically you don't have to install anything, it's already in a binary format, so you can just start running. So you just have to do dot slash, that means the current directory, and then I have just printed the help section here. So it is working. You could do this for any other command also. I'll just show it for BlastX. So that's all. You can start running the Blast sequence analyzer. So that's it, folks. Thank you.